The Mission 2007 at present consists of more than 200 partners. Right. All of them are multi-sectoral partners. Right. The expectation is very high, but the secretariat is very small group of 3 people or something. They need that queries related to technology and content mainly. Technology means which technology is useful for the Indian conditions. Here in India, any people cannot start that community radio because it should be started only by the education institution. So on the other hand, you can create the internet radio. So in the last mile you can download the content in that offline. You can maybe cut it in CD and disseminate to the cable TV radio. Even that you are creating the very big beautiful Mission 2008 with the content management. If you ask ours that they will prepare only for the static pages. Initially that is good, but if the goes of that volume of content is come, you can't do that how to go to the archives and etc. So this way they need that a lot of inputs regarding the technology. And another one is the content. Content means they need that they are unable to know about which organization we will approach.
Right.
For example, today afternoon we had a meeting with the Tata Teleservices. They wanted to work with the State Bank of India. State Bank of India have a 5,45,000 self-help groups. Like a Grameen Bank, they wanted to spread the information through cell phone. What our suggestion is, we will have some two-way communication between the experts and the rural community. The experts provided the scientific inputs. The local community provides their own traditional knowledge, what is available in the field. Based on this, we allow the local community to create the content instead of the experts. The content should be in some multimedia format, maybe a lot of line drawings, audio and video and etc. And also now we are in the process of developing some object-oriented content with the minimal test, because in India we have multiple languages. So we can put both the content in the web. Maybe third person will come. Maybe he can take the 2 or 3 slides from you, 2 slides from me. He can also put 1 or more slides from his side. So he also create the new content. In my opinion is the website will provide only what the village people need. The web page publisher, maybe they can also segregate the content is region wise. Maybe interesting things, maybe what is their interested, we give more information. Right. Maybe exogenous knowledge, first we talked about that slightly awareness. Slowly we can build the content also. That actually in the content mode we are using different kind of things. Disseminate also we are doing different kind of things. For example, some of the content we are disseminating through the community newspaper. Some of the content we are using that public address system. Some of the content we are using through the notice boards. Some of them are verbally. But the internet only the cover encyclopedia for covering all the content. For example, even we design the content in the community newspaper, we are converting into the PDF format and put it to the web. Suppose we have a video conferencing, that whole thing we can document it and put it into the web in the CRISP format. The same way notice boards, audio content, etc. So in this way, the web is contains that all kind of such content is a one single window. This web content, through the learning purpose only we are uploading the content in the web.